In this video, I will talk about the functions like COUNTIF, SUMIF and AVERAGEIF. So first of all, I'll talk about COUNTIF. So when do we need to use COUNTIF function? Let's take a scenario. So in this data, you can see that the year, category, product, sales and rating. Here the numbers are listed and others are text, other two columns text, and then sales, rating, again numbers. So here my question is, number of sales happen in the year 2021 or 2022. So I just want to know the number of sales. So in this scenario, 2022, I can say this is the first one, like this is the second one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I only counting the cells that are having the number 2022. Okay. If it is a very long table, then it is really difficult to count, or it will take time to count. So better we use a function called COUNTIF. So the function is syntax is equal to COUNTIF, then two informations are required. One is the range and then the criteria. Criteria means the condition. So let me choose this range, because from this range I'm looking for the number 2022. So in the double quotation I'll write 2022 and then closing. So it says that 16 times the number 2022 appeared in this list. Okay, and if I change this to 2021, this will say that okay, 44 times 2021 appeared in this list. Same way, if I wish to find out the number of times the word clothing appeared in this list, I can also do the same. This time the range, this will change to, we need to pick the second column as a range and then choose the condition clothing, and we must write exactly same as in the exactly same name, I mean without any spelling errors. It is not case sensitive. So double quotation and the word clothing. So around 7 times the word clothing appeared in the list. So this is how the COUNTIF function works. Now move on to another function called SUMIF. This time my question is, I just want to find the sum of the sales of a product or a category or year wise. Let's say in 2022 what is the total sales happened, or in 2021 what is the total number of sales. So if I would do manually, then I need to find the sum of these numbers, I mean the numbers which is again 2022. I need to find the sum of all the numbers. So again, if I do this manually, this will take time. So better we use a function called SUMIF equal to SUMIF, and then I can see that 3 different elements required. One is the range and criteria. This is same as COUNTIF. So range means this is a range, and then what is the condition from that range, that is 2022, and then sum range. Okay, so this is how the SUMIF function works. It only finds the sum of the numbers which are against the year 2022. So next one, if same thing, same requirement, but average of the sales happen in 2022. So the function is Averageif. Syntax looks the same like SUMIF. Range, then criteria, then the average range, that is the sales column. Okay, this time they find the sum of the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. That is how we get the average. This is the basic way of using this COUNTIF, SUMIF and AVERAGEIF function.